Stop wasting cash on hype PCs. Here are 7 rigs that actually crush modern games under 2000 USD, with honest pros, real bottlenecks, and a clear winner at number 1. In this breakdown, each pick is tested for 1080p and 1440p performance targets, thermals, noise, and upgradability, so you know exactly what you're getting before you spend a cent. Expect nuanced takes on CPU-GPU balance, cooling headroom, and how each system handles today's demanding titles without breaking your $2,000 ceiling. Stick around. Number 7. CyberPowerPC GXiVR8080A40. If you're gunning for a strict budget entry to modern PC gaming, the GXiVR8080A40 is the gateway system that actually makes sense. Intel Core i5-13400F, 16GB DDR5, a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, and NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5060 8GB get you credible performance with DLSS upscaling at 1080p and reasonable 1440p in lighter titles. It's Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 ready, has ample USB I/O including USB-C, and sticks to standard parts so upgrades are painless later on. For plug-and-play value, this is the right kind of compromise that still feels snappy in Windows and esports. In testing across newer AAA titles, the RTX 5060 holds the 60+ FPS line at high 1080p settings and can push into 1440p with settings tweaks or DLSS, though 4K is out of reach without aggressive upscaling. Assassin's Creed at high 1080p hovered around the low 60s, dropping into the mid-40s at 1440p. Playable with DLSS but not ideal for high refresh panels. Still, for story-driven games at 1080p, the experience remains fluid and visually rich. Thermals are controlled by a basic air cooler, and under sustained CPU load, the 13400F stays within spec, though it approaches the 80s in hot rooms, which is expected for a stock air solution. Noise levels are acceptable, with fan curves that favor a neutral acoustic profile over absolute silence. The tempered glass and RGB give it the gaming PC look without sacrificing front panel airflow. Number 6. OMEN 160100Me. The OMEN 35L steps up build quality with a tidy interior, better thermal design, and options for higher-end GPUs and liquid cooling, making it a more refined platform than most budget pre-builts. The case runs dual 140mm intakes plus a 120mm exhaust, offering 10-14% thermal improvements over the 25L's 40L series, and the OMEN Gaming Hub lets you set custom fan curves for a quieter desk presence. It's also available in black or white, with modular cabling and 850-watt 1000-watt gold PSUs ready for beefy GPUs. On the CPU side, configurations span modern Intel and AMD, up to chips with integrated NPUs on Ryzen AI, useful if you dabble in AI-accelerated creator tasks or background upscaling workflows. Storage options are generous, with dual Gen 4 M.2 slots and room for additional drives, and memory scales to 64GB at DDR5 for heavy multitaskers. As a platform, OMEN 35L is the nice-to-live-with desktop that's easy to keep for years. However, buyer beware, the 35L is sold in numerous configurations. Some ship with premium GPUs, while others pair modest CPUs and mid-range cards. Pricing can creep beyond $2,000 if you aren't careful with specs. The proprietary touches are fewer than older OMEN lines, but certain boards and coolers can still limit swap flexibility compared to fully standard boutique builds. Always verify the exact CPU-GPU combo to ensure you're getting true high-refresh 1440p performance for the money. 5. Skytech Azures. Azure hits an enviable balance for 1440p. Frequently found with either Intel i7 or AMD 7800X3D and NVIDIA's 4070 Ti superclass GPUs, it delivers ultra settings at 1440p with headroom for high refresh, while keeping thermals and noise under control thanks to ample case airflow and, in many configs, a 360mm AIO. Even older i7-12700F plus RTX 4070 Ti versions post excellent results across modern engines, often trading blows with last-gen flagships at 1440p. In testing, the 4070 Ti configuration pushed high preset 1440p frame rates that rivaled or exceeded RTX 3090 class performance in numerous titles, and with DLSS frame generation, perceived smoothness in heavy scenes jumped meaningfully. If you favor cinematic quality at 1440p, Azure is right in the sweet spot, with enough grunt to dabble in 4K medium-high and keep minimums comfortable. Build quality is a strength. Tidy cable runs, RGB sync, front mesh airflow, and standardized parts make it a friendly system to own. Storage usually starts at a fast 1TB NVMe, and the RAM configs are reasonable, though moving to 32GB DDR5 is smart if you stream, run lots of browser tabs, or mod heavier games. Thermals under looped loads are stable with the AIO cooling options. The only caution here is variance. Azure branding spans multiple spec tiers across retailers. Aim for the Ryzen 7 7800X3D or Core i7 with RTX 4070 Ti Super to truly cement 1440p Ultra at high refresh. Lesser GPUs make it more of a 1080p high performer. When you lock the right combo, it's one of the best gaming experiences under $2. Number 4. CyberPowerPC GXiVR8040A17. This configuration pairs Intel's i7-14700F with the RTX 5060 Ti 16GB, an unusual but well-balanced duo aimed at high FPS 1080p and capable 1440p with DLSS. That 16GB VRAM is the key. It helps keep textures and streaming stutter in check in newer open-world titles, even if the 128-bit bus limits raw bandwidth. In practice, the combo plays popular AAA releases at 1080p ultra smoothly and can stretch to 1440p high with intelligent upscaling. Benchmarks place it firmly above last-gen 4060 Ti systems, with measured results over 120 FPS in VR-friendly titles at 1440p ultra and very healthy numbers in fast-paced shooters at 1080p. The i7-14700F ensures strong 1% lows and keeps CPU-bound scenes in check, while the PCIe 4.0 SSD minimizes load time friction across big installs. It's a modern, snappy experience that feels appropriately premium for mid-range money. The chassis and airflow are competent for sustained sessions. Thermals remain within comfortable margins under gaming loads, and fan ramping is predictable. Upgrades are straightforward if you decide to jump to a higher-tier GPU later, as the platform uses standard components. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth round out a feature-complete spec for everyday gaming and content consumption. The 5060 Ti's bus width can reveal itself in heavy RT scenarios or texture-dense mods at 1440p, where bandwidth, not capacity, becomes the limiter. Still, DLSS and smarter presets make it easy to maintain smoothness without sacrificing too much fidelity. This is an entry to mid-1440p machine that leverages VRAM to punch above its class in consistency. 3. Skytech King 95. The King 95 is purpose-built for high-refresh 1440p and creator-side work, thanks to a potent pairing of Intel's i7-14700F and a next-gen RTX 5070 class GPU, typically bundled with 32GB DDR5 and a 360mm AIO. In practice, that means silky esports performance, ultra settings in AAA at 1440p, incredible 4K medium-high with DLSS, plus enough CPU muscle for streaming and rendering without tanking frames. Thermally, the 360mm liquid cooler keeps CPU spikes in check, translating to stable clocks and quieter fan curves during long gaming or encoding sessions. The 850-watt Gold PSU leaves headroom for future GPU upgrades, while the case airflow and ARGB implementation keep temps and aesthetics dialed. It's a well-considered platform for enthusiasts who want to game and create on one rig. In content creation workloads, 32GB RAM at 5600 to 6000 MHz reduces timeline hitching and speeds up asset-heavy projects. The fast 1TB Gen 4 SSD makes large game updates and project scrubs responsive, and Wi-Fi connectivity plus a rich port layout cover multi-monitor and peripheral setups cleanly. It's a confident, premium-feeling system. Performance-wise, the 5070 class GPU brings modern RT and DLSS, propelling demanding engines smoothly at 1440p with headroom to spare. For competitive titles, hitting 240 Hz at tuned settings is realistic, while big open-world RPGs stay consistently smooth with high textures and lighting. It's the no-compromises at 1440p experience many buyers want under $2,000. If you favor balanced power, generous RAM, and robust cooling in a pre-built that looks the part, King 95 earns its top 3 spot without breaking your budget. 2. Cooler Master HAF 5 Pro. HAF stands for high airflow, and this system embodies it. With large intakes, open interior, and Cooler Master's proven cooling hardware, the HAF 5 Pro keeps high-end CPUs and GPUs in their sweet spots, translating to sustained clocks and lower noise in real gaming sessions. Configurations commonly pair modern Intel or Ryzen with RTX 5070 class GPUs and 32GB DDR5, landing squarely in the power sweet spot for 1440p. At this tier, you get the experience that matters: 60+ FPS at ultra and demanding titles at 1440p, consistent frame times, and the thermal overhead to avoid throttling during marathon sessions. The platform is also VR ready and creator capable, with speedy 2TB Gen 4 SSDs common in retail bundles, a huge quality of life win if you maintain large libraries. Build philosophy is airflow first, and it shows in acoustics. Even when CPUs boost, fan noise remains controlled, avoiding the hairdryer under load problem that plagues cramped cases. The use of standard parts, gold-rated PSUs, and clean cable management make it a joy to upgrade or service later, extending system lifespan in a way many pre-builts don't. Why not number 1? Availability and spec variants. Some HAF 5 Pro listings still reference older mid-range CPUs, GPUs that are fine but not class-leading in 2025, while the best configs can tip over budget depending on retailer. If you land the right CPU-GPU pair under 2K, this is arguably the best thermals to noise pick on the list. 1. CyberPowerPC GXiVR8080A39. This is the performance king under our 2K target because it bundles top-end CPU grunt with a next-gen 5070 class GPU, ample RAM, a fast 2TB Gen 4 SSD, and liquid cooling in a mainstream pre-built that shows up on frequent sales. With Intel's Core i9-14900KF and RTX 5070 12GB, the system delivers buttery 1440p Ultra and credible 4K high with DLSS, plus creator-class muscle for encoding and 3D tasks. In gaming, expect smooth high refresh 1440p in everything from competitive shooters to heavy RT showcases, with DLSS ensuring you maintain fluidity even when ray tracing is cranked. The 32GB DDR5 at 6000 MHz and a Z790 class platform keep minimums high and background tasks invisible to your frame times. VR titles feel especially responsive thanks to the CPU headroom and storage speed. Thermals are tamed by liquid cooling, keeping boost clocks steady during extended sessions and preventing fan noise from dominating your room. The chassis offers clean airflow and a tempered glass showcase without choking the GPU. And the 2TB SSD gives breathing room for multiple massive installs, a big upgrade over the 1TB norm. For upgradability, it's exactly what you want: standard parts, ample PSU capacity in most retail configs, and a motherboard with the I/O to add capture cards or high-speed storage later. It's a system that's fast now and flexible later, reducing the urge to replace the whole rig in 2 years. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.